Getting ready for a newborn can feel overwhelming with so many baby products out there. To make things easier, I have listed the best newborn essentials that are actually worth buying. These are practical items that can help with everyday baby care, from feeding to sleep and everything in between. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Belicious Pro Air Fryer. Max Tender Flavor Lock Tech enhances cooking with 360-degree rapid airflow, precise IQ temp control, and shake reminders for evenly cooked, crispy, and tender results. Offering 8 cooking modes, a wide time and temperature range, and 40+ chef-made recipes, this air fryer provides endless meal possibilities. With temperatures reaching 450° Fahrenheit, it heats 40% faster than traditional ovens and requires 85 to 90% less oil. The 4-quart capacity fits 1 to 3 servings, while its compact design, low-noise operation, and dishwasher-safe components ensure convenience. Bar Rice Cooker. Designed for 1 to 3 servings, this compact rice cooker offers 4 versatile cooking modes for white or brown rice, quinoa, oatmeal, soup, and hot pot. A top-mounted touch-screen panel simplifies operation, while the Fuzzy Logic microcomputer precisely adjusts temperature throughout the cooking process. The thick and curved liner enhances heat distribution for perfectly cooked rice. Featuring a healthy non-stick inner pot free of harmful chemicals, this cooker ensures easy cleanup and premium food quality. KitchenAid Food Chopper. A 3.5-cup work bowl with a locking blade, handle, and pour spout makes chopping and serving effortless. The compact design, cord wrap, and dishwasher-safe components provide easy storage and cleanup. 2 speeds and a pulse function offer control over texture, from chunky salsa to smooth hummus. The drizzle basin allows liquid incorporation while processing, and the stainless steel multipurpose blade ensures precision chopping and pureeing for all your cooking needs. Want Professional Blender. Equipped with a powerful 1800-watt motor and stainless steel blades reaching up to 30,000 RPM, this countertop blender quickly crushes ice and blends ingredients smoothly. Adjustable speed control delivers various textures, even turning raw fish into mash. The built-in timer ensures safe operation by stopping automatically. This blender handles ice crushing, smoothies, soups, dips, sauces, and hot soup, while a 1-button switch enables thorough cleaning for effortless maintenance. Osterfuss Slice Toaster. An intuitive touch screen simplifies operation, while a digital timer displays progress and time remaining. With 6 shade settings, precise toasting is guaranteed. The removable crumb tray ensures quick cleanup, and a quick check lever allows easy monitoring and removal. Versatile functions include bagel, reheat, and frozen modes for various toasting preferences. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this toaster blends functionality with a sleek, high-quality design for everyday use. Naretva 20in1 Bread Maker. Offering 20 preset menus and 3 crust color options, this bread maker supports a variety of recipes, including gluten-free and whole wheat bread. Dual heaters with 360-degree surrounding baking ensure even heat distribution, while the 550-watt motor reduces baking time by an hour. A non-stick ceramic pan ensures chemical-free baking, and the metal body provides durability. Convenient features include a 15-hour delay timer, a 1-hour keep-warm function, and quiet operation below 40 dB. Lavazza Espresso Coffee Machine. A high-pressure brewing system extracts rich espresso flavors for short or long shots. Designed exclusively for Lavazza Blue or Expert capsules, this single-serve machine delivers cafe-quality espresso at home. Compact and easy to use, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup, offering a hassle-free brewing experience for espresso lovers. Comfia Baby Bottle Warmer. Delivering the perfect bottle temperature in just 30 seconds, this bottle warmer eliminates the need for slow traditional warming methods. 6 temperature settings with a built-in timer ensure precision for baby formula, coffee, or tea. A thoughtful night light aids nighttime feedings, while the memory function simplifies operation. The boil function doubles as an electric kettle, offering a 1.2 L capacity for the whole family. A rapid cooling fan further enhances convenience. AnyBear Vacuum Sealer Machine. A multifunctional design offers dry, moist, and pulse modes for vacuum sealing, along with canister compatibility for jars and wine preservation. A widened heat seal and 12mm sealing strip ensure airtight protection for food. The digital countdown display provides real-time updates, and error alerts guide users for a perfect seal every time. With an embedded wood grain panel, this vacuum sealer combines efficiency with an aesthetically pleasing design. Presto Popcorn Popper. Popping with hot air instead of oil, this popcorn maker delivers a low-fat, all-natural snack in just minutes. With a personal-sized design, it produces up to 8 cups of popcorn quickly. A vented cover ensures crispy results, while the cover doubles as a serving bowl for convenience. The built-in cord wrap allows for compact storage, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen for healthier, homemade popcorn. Have a countertop dishwasher. Enhanced with an optimized eco mode, this countertop dishwasher saves water and energy while maintaining powerful cleaning performance. A built-in water softener tackles hard water issues, preventing limescale buildup and ensuring spotless dishware. The redesigned dish rack offers greater capacity, making it easier to accommodate various tableware sizes. With a 5-liter built-in water tank, this portable dishwasher requires no plumbing, making it ideal for apartments, RVs, dorms, or small kitchens. Yayunto Meat Chopper. Designed for effortless meal prep, this meat chopper features angled blades that efficiently mash cooked food to the desired consistency. Its innovative design also scrapes the sides of bowls and pots while mixing, ensuring even texture. Cleaning is a breeze with its anti-dirt structure, as it can be easily rinsed in the sink or placed in the dishwasher. Built for durability and ease of use, it's an essential tool for any kitchen. Generic electric composter. With a 4L capacity, this electric composter efficiently processes daily kitchen waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer. A powerful 4+2 grinding system increases efficiency by 80%, ensuring finer decomposition for soil enrichment. Dual carbon filters absorb moisture and neutralize odors, keeping indoor spaces fresh. Operating at under 60 dB, it runs quietly without disrupting your household. Designed for modern kitchens, this composter provides a convenient, eco-friendly way to manage food waste. Anbanglin Coffee Mug Warmer. Featuring 3 temperature settings, this coffee warmer maintains drinks at 104 degree, 131 degree, or 149 degree Fahrenheit with a simple touch. The 4-hour auto shutoff ensures safety by preventing overheating, while the high-tech polyimide film material makes it heat-resistant and fire-resistant. A spill-proof design simplifies cleaning, and the 60-inch UL power cord offers convenience. Compatible with various cup materials, it's perfect for keeping beverages warm at home, in the office, or on your desk. Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker. Capable of making 1 or 2 sandwiches at a time, this dual breakfast sandwich maker is ideal for families, couples, or meal prepping. It prepares sandwiches in just 5 minutes, offering a quick and delicious alternative to fast food. With a countdown timer and an audible beep, it ensures perfect results every time. Fully customizable, it lets you choose fresh ingredients for a healthier, homemade meal in the comfort of your kitchen. Farberware Countertop Microwave Oven. Delivering 1000 watts of power, this microwave offers fast, efficient cooking with 10 power levels and 6 one-touch options for convenience. Multi-stage cooking ensures precise heating, while defrosting by weight or time makes meal prep effortless. With a 1.2 cubic feet capacity, it fits perfectly in small kitchens, offices, or dorms. And LED display, kitchen timer, and child safety lock enhance functionality, making it a versatile and user-friendly kitchen essential. Amumu Cold Press Juicer. Featuring a 5.4-inch feed chute, this cold press juicer accommodates whole fruits, reducing prep time. The 250-watt motor and slow-speed technology extract maximum nutrients while preserving freshness. Its one-piece design allows for quick assembly and cleaning, while an anti-jam reverse function ensures smooth operation. With a safety feature that halts operation when the lid is open, this juicer is ideal for families seeking a healthy and hassle-free juicing experience. Kitchen-in-the-box stand mixer. Weighing under 7 pounds, this compact stand mixer is designed for small kitchens, apartments, or limited storage spaces. A 3.2-quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for couples or beginner bakers. With 6 speed options, it easily handles everything from bread dough to whipped cream. The tilt head design provides effortless access, while for anti-slip suction cups keep it steady during operation. Upgraded attachments ensure durability, making it a reliable kitchen companion. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. Capable of cooking up to 7 eggs at once, this egg cooker allows you to prepare soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with consistent results. A pre-marked measuring cup ensures precision, while the auto shut-off function guarantees safety. Its compact design makes it perfect for dorms, apartments, RVs, or small kitchens. Beyond eggs, it also functions as a vegetable and food steamer, providing versatility for easy meal preparation. Bangaway Automatic Tin Opener. Utilizing advanced pressure release technology, this tin opener leaves no sharp edges, ensuring safe handling. With a single button operation, it effortlessly opens cans of various sizes, making it ideal for users with arthritis, disabilities, or limited hand strength. Powered by 4 batteries, it offers portability without the need for charging. The ergonomic lever provides a comfortable grip, and its sleek, durable construction ensures long-lasting performance in any kitchen. Elevate your kitchen game with these 20 must-have appliances that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're whipping up gourmet meals or just looking for smart solutions to streamline your daily routine, the right tools can make all the difference. Want to grab any of these amazing gadgets? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food lovers, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy cooking!